Number 5 is 4G LTE Cellular Security Camera. When choosing the optimal car security cameras for 2024, it is essential to select a dependable and versatile option that ensures constant vehicle surveillance, even in your absence. The 4G LTE Cellular Security Camera is unparalleled and renowned for its groundbreaking features and effortless installation. This state-of-the-art camera surpasses conventional Wi-Fi connectivity by leveraging the fast and reliable 4G LTE network. With efficient power management, this camera can continuously record for up to 10 hours on a single charge. By setting it to low sensitivity settings, you'll enjoy over 20 days of coverage. The camera operates on a motion-activated system, capturing footage only when it detects movement. The 4G LTE Cellular Security Camera takes security up a notch with radar motion detection that surpasses traditional prior technology. It boasts an extended 12-meter detection range, making it ideal for car surveillance, even through glass. Regarding storage, this camera provides two options: SD card and cloud storage. The built-in SD card slot can handle up to 128 gigabytes, automatically removing old videos to save you the trouble of manual deletions. If you prioritize data security, the camera also supports encrypted cloud services, ensuring your data is protected to the fullest extent. So, to buy this car's 4G cellular security camera, check out the link mentioned in the description box below. After reviewing each of the top 5 best security cameras for cars in 2024, you now have a clear idea of which one you should go for. No matter what your surveillance needs are, one of these best security cameras should definitely fulfill them. With their top-notch features, you can now enjoy peace of mind knowing that your car is always protected. Hope you have found this video to be valuable and informative. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For the latest updates and more such videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, take care.